Hi, Drew here. Welcome back to Drew's Custom Diecast. Wow, I've been working on a car. It's in stripper, and I should have scuffed paint on it. It's kind of fighting me a little bit to get the paint off it. So in the meantime, I've got this pretty decent looking little fire truck here, Tootsie Toy. I figure we're going to do a little restoration on it. Make this thing look pretty good. You know, can't really do a little trick with the axles, being kind of one-handed at the moment. So we're going to knock everything down with a brush, wire brush, see just what I can do with it that way, and see if we can get ready for paint and fix where she's been bent in a little bit. But see if we can do a little restoration press on this. So stay tuned. I'll get it scrubbed down and see what we got. All right, see I got most of the paint knocked off of it. Still a little bit hanging on here and there. I think once I get that straightened out a little bit, it should help get into there and get that just a little bit better. Oh, take the Gerber here. That's a lot shorter than it was. See if I can hit it with a little bit more with the brush. See if I can knock a little bit more out, and we'll be just about ready to clean up and walk and prep it for paint, huh? Yeah, I don't think I would have been too much more on it. I don't want to break it. Don't want to push my luck. But it's a lot better than it was, I think. So, oh wow, you actually saw me do something on a little extra work on here. All right. And in case anybody's wondering, I'm using a steel brush. Yes. Oh, shock! Don't freak out. If you can see, I'm not. I've been doing it pretty gentle. You know, I'm not scarring it up. It's sure as hell. You know, if I was using a brass brush, it'd almost be wiped out by now. That's the only thing I don't like about brass ones. And so far, I've had pretty good luck. This is actually I did both Tootsie Toy cars with it, and the Midge Toy Bug. So, with that said, we get onto this, get it cleaned up the rest of the way, and see what happens. All right, we got her masked off. He's ready for paint. So, I'll be back in a minute, and we'll see how that red looks. All right, let's get her unmasked here. Oh yeah. Now, let's do some details and got her good because she's looking good. Paint came out really nice. No. I mean, details and the final reveal. All right, guys, here we have it. included Tootsie Toy Firetruck Restoration Plus. They can turn up pretty sharp looking. Yeah. Hope you guys like it. You know, if you do, hit the like button, subscribe, please. Appreciate it. You know, and if I'm not subscribed to your channel, I definitely will pay it forward, and subscribe to yours, and you know, let's grow this. Let's grow our pages. You know. So with that said, guys, hope you have a good weekend. You know, this is a quick little video. You know, easy little restoration plus. You know, just kill a little time while I got car sitting in the stripper. You know, waiting to do it. Pretty cool little build on. So with that said, guys, take care. Have a good one.